Yes, we have done it. Now you know everything to have a print in hand, and that's a print on paper, a print on a book, a print on a big poster. Now you have the knowledge to create everything you need. So go for it. Print your photos and create a final product. I, from my side, definitely love this process. And every time I get the book delivered and I open it for the first time, I really appreciate that I've done this. The whole process is great, but to hold the final product in hands is even better, and a big time better, because the prints and the book is something you have for a long time, and you can go in and see everything, relax with a book in hand and just enjoy flipping through the pages and bring in all the good feelings you had when you have shot the images before. So really go for it and print your own stuff.